Chattogram. Here are present our Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable President, Special Guest, Honorable Director of this madrasa. And here are also present our Superintendent, respected teachers, parents, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jannatul Firdaus Maria. I study in class 6. I am very thankful to my teachers. They have given me an opportunity to deliver a speech at this event. Everybody knows that our madrasa is a reputed Islamic educational institution in this area. I like this madrasa most for friendly behavior for this institution. The environment here always helps us to grow our studies. Thank my teachers for organizing this beautiful function for us. It gives us to refresh our mind and keeps us healthy. It also helps us to focus on our studies. I would like to add my speech here. Please overlook my mistakes. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.